Jamaica has lost a pioneer in the entertainment and also the media world. Leonie Forbes passed away at age 85. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Theatre icon and broadcaster Leonie Forbes has passed away. She was aged 85 years old. She reportedly passed away on Tuesday. In a tweet a short while ago to his official Twitter page, Prime Minister of Jamaica Mr. Andrew Honey said that her name is synonymous with Jamaica and the Jamaican theatre and broadcast industry. She was always an elegant, gorgeous woman whose voice commanded both respect and admiration, the tweet read. We say thanks to Leonie for her contribution to Jamaican arts and culture, and we express our deep sadness at her passing, the tweet added. The actress and former radio and television broadcaster was born on June 14, 1937. According to the National Library of Jamaica, she grew up in Kingston as an only child. She attended St. George's Preparatory School, Marywood Elementary School, Micro Practicing School, Kingston Senior School, Excelsior College, and Durham College. During her illustrious career in theatre, Forbes played a leading role in 12 pantomimes and acted in plays such as See Mama, Miss Unusual, The Rope and the Cross, Old Story Time, and Champagne and the Sky Juice, the National Library of Jamaica said in a statement. On the official Facebook account of Nadine Sutherland, she wrote, Leonie Forbes gave me many moments of joy. She could utilize the King's English with aplomb, but could cast a spell on you when you use our Jamaican language. A talent that was bigger than our shores. We had brilliance. I wonder if we knew. Soar in the realms of the ancestors, she wrote on her official Facebook account. The Prime Minister of Jamaica, the Right Honorable Mr. Andrew Holness, also did a follow-up post from the one which was made on his Twitter account to his Facebook account. Leonie Forbes is a name synonymous with Jamaica and with the Jamaican theatre and broadcast. She was always elegant and gorgeous, and her voice commanded both respect and admiration. Jamaica has lost an iconic and pioneering figure in media, film, and television. As an actress, she starred in several films and comedies and flew the Jamaican flag high as a cultural icon. Her crisp, clear voice, warm personality, and contribution to Jamaica's development in media and arts will never be forgotten. We say thanks to Leonie for her contribution to Jamaican arts and culture, and we express our deep sadness at her passing, the Prime Minister said in a statement on his official Facebook account. A number of other Jamaicans also took to social media just in order to express their condolences to her family and friends. Forbes also authored a book called The Re-Entry into Sound, along with Alma McYen, formerly of UWI's Radio Education Unit. This is a standard text used to train broadcasters all over the Caribbean. The Minister of Culture and Entertainment, Olivia Babsy Grange, said that she was left with a feeling of great sadness on learning of the passing of the actress and broadcaster Leonie Forbes. She was the leading lady for a generation of broadcasters who excel at their craft. She was as great in a radio studio as she was on stage and in television and in films, and as a producer, said Grange in a statement released to the media on Tuesday. She also described Leonie Forbes as an actress extraordinaire and a broadcaster of the highest caliber. She was one of the most revered actresses on the Jamaican stage for over 5 decades, earning the respect and admiration of not just audience but also fellow practitioners. Her willingness to share her vast knowledge and experience with young people coming into the business was one of the last memories of her which will last for a very long time, said Grange. As the minister responsible for portfolios of culture and entertainment, I salute Leonie Forbes for the iconic part she played in development of theatre, radio, broadcasting, television, and films in Jamaica, she stated. Grange also expressed sympathy to the family of Forbes members and also her colleagues and friends. friends and fans right across the world. Among the honors and awards Forbes received over the years, My Life in Theater Medal by the Mexican Theater Center of International Theater Institute for understanding theater personalities of Latin America and the Caribbean in 2001. Order of Distinction, Officer Class, the Government of Jamaica in 1980, Centenary Medal, Bronze Musgrave Medal in 1974. We here at Links 007 TV just want to take this opportunity to express our sincere condolences to her family and friends, and we'll have more details to come in a later newscast. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.